a bird on a tree.
I'm Dad. We're going to go fishing, huh, buddy?
I'm just sitting here.
Oh yeah!
I got time. It's clear to see.
The truck maintenance today. Got a rat. Got in here and chewed up this little line for my evaporator system. And now engine light's always on. I gotta get a smog check, so now we gotta get that replaced so the engine light doesn't go on. I could have dropped the gas tank, but underneath the truck work and also stuff falling in the eyes, so I opted to go ahead and yank the bed off. Took me about 45 minutes, and there's about 6 screws on, or 6 bolts on the bumper that was taken off. 21 millimeter deep well. Kind of tough to get in there. You might have to use a ratchet unless you got some tricky U-joint stuff to get up in there, but I had to use the ratchet on one side. The other side I fought with it to use the air impact, but gave up on it and just went to a ratchet. It went much easier. So we got about 45 minutes into it so far. Like I said, 6 nuts that I had to pull off on the bumper, plus the wiring, and then the bed has 6 bolts. 1, 2, 3 on each side. Those came out really easy. It's a Torx 50. And then lifted it up by myself. Didn't need to. I just kind of went side to side slowly. And the 3 bolts that hold this the filler neck in. And then there was a clamp right here that you've probably already seen this stuff 1,000 times anyway. But that helped the filler neck up. But I just kind of slowly rocked this thing backwards. Oh yeah, one more thing. The differential breather tube hooked up right under there. Had to get it out of there. I think that's it. Some wiring in the back, connectors, but it's pretty simple. 45 minutes got me to this point. I had cut this off. It went straight over there, and it was just ate up. So I'm gonna go see if I can't find some fuel line. A couple clamps to go in its place. I was just gonna splice it, but this guy, I mean, he ate it all the way up to the clamp on that evaporator right there, all the way up to there. He was hungry. I hope he feels better about himself. Anyway, so 45 minutes into it, that's where I'm at. And sure, it'll take longer to put back together, but got to go get some line first and a couple clamps. So we'll leave it at that. Make sure you use them gloves. This bed's kind of sharp. That's it. Easy enough. Was going to use the winch to kind of lift it up, but it wasn't heavy enough, so I just did it by hand. A lot easier. Didn't have to worry about it. All right. That's it. We'll continue once this monstrosity is put back together underneath, and go from there.